They say that light is one of the most important things you can have in a workshop. And my workshop is dark. Let me show you how dark it really is. And this is what I have to work in. What I have in the shop right now are 2 incandescent bulbs. I've got that shop light over there, and then just a little work light. And that's it. I think I can do a little bit better than that. So what I've got is these LEDs from Amazon. They're 4-foot LEDs. I'm gonna go ahead and try to, I'm gonna put 6 of them up. And to make installation easy as possible, I've got these little light fixture adapters that you just plug right into. So I'm going to mount the LEDs to the ceiling, run a plug to these little guys, and that should be all I need to do. Let's see how it works. I've measured and marked everything out. I've got one light set up just to make sure it's going to be as easy as I thought it was, and it's going to be super easy. So all I'm going to do is take these brackets, screw each one in, and the light just clicks right into it. Okay, I've got this little plug here. This goes right at the end. I'm gonna plug this right into the adapter. It's got this nice little switch and ta-da. Now that is bright, I like it. All right, let's get the rest of these wired up and take a look at it, see what it looks like. Now that I've got them mounted and wired up, it's time to see what they look like. Okay, those look great. That is awesome. I'm very happy with how they look. Got a couple more things to do. I've got these wires that are hanging down, so I'm gonna tidy those up and make this thing look really good. All right, let's go. All right, now I'm gonna take these cables. I'm going to solder them. I'm gonna shrink wrap them. I've already got them prepped. So I've already stripped the wires. I've got some shrink wrap already on them. Now all there is to solder them real quick and get a little heat on them, and that shrink wrap will shrink up and they're gonna look great. Okay, I got those soldered. I ran into a little bit of a hiccup. I was using plumbing solder instead of electro solder. So if you're doing this, be aware, get the right solder. Okay, that was way harder than it should have been. When I used that wrong solder, it caused some lumping and clumping, and I couldn't get the shrink wrap on, so I had to redo some of my work, but I've got them all nice and ready to go now. So let's just heat them with some heat. So we've got shrink wrap on the inner wires, and we've got an outer wire here, and this is what's going to make it look nice and pretty. Okay, now that is what it should look like. So let me do the rest of these. And one hint on this, or one pro tip on this, you want to go pretty slow and distribute the heat evenly. If you keep it on one spot, then you might burn the shrink wrap. So, all right, let me get it done. Now that these lights are nice and tidy, everything's looking good, I've got 2 more lights, and what I'm gonna do is put one right under here, shining on this workbench, one right behind me. We're gonna light up this corner real nice. This is where I do a lot of my work, so it's kind of necessary to have some light there. Okay, there's one done. Let's move to the other one. Eventually I am gonna put some nice plugs all around this side of the shop. Right now it's a temporary solution, so I am just gonna use the existing extension cord that I've been using to run a couple other things here. And I'm not gonna cut these. Whenever I get other plugs and stuff, then I'll make it look nice and neat. So I'm just gonna plug this in over here and then run this cable from that one to that one, linking them. And I'll just tuck this off out on the wall. I might throw a couple anchors in the wall just to hold it. All right, that's it. I'm gonna try it out now. That looks real good. I'm real happy with this. There's a lot of light in this corner. I put them back far enough that I shouldn't get any shadows if I'm leaning over some work. I am probably gonna get another work light or two just to, you know, help me out when I'm doing up close type stuff. You can never have too much light, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this stuff that I've got hanging, different lights, outlets, stuff like that, clean this up, and then I'll be done. So yeah, not too much left. There we go. Do enough DIY projects and you know that nothing is ever easy. Now I'm going to use these little brackets just to secure these wires in place. Make sure they're not hanging quite as low. All right, it looks pretty good. All right, now that I'm done, it's highlighted a few things there that I already intended on doing. Definitely gonna scrape the texture off the ceiling and put a nice new coat of paint on there. I've got some wiring stuff that I need to do, as I mentioned earlier. If I put a few outlets back in that corner, it's gonna make the whole area a lot more functional. So this is a good first step. I'm super excited. This shop's starting to really turn into something nice. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, any of that stuff, that would really help out trying to get this YouTube thing started. So looking forward to the journey. All right, bye.